Glock ain't for shit.
Squeeze him and put him in.
All over there. High quality.
Alright? So I'm gonna start recording now.
Finish that shooting right now?
Oh, it's recording. Is it? Recording? What's the thing right there?
You missed the other eye, dog.
Wait, hold. Look, you see the hole?
Yeah.
Put it right in between that.
Now we do things.
It's Teflon done.
What do you got there, Junior? What's this, a 40
The Glock.
Damn it. Let's see what my girls put.
You already know Teflon. Let them know. Show them what you're shooting. Show them niggas what you're shooting.
Shooting that Glock 40, son.
You already know the glizzy.
Empty clip.